Alright guys, so let's see how this works. Let me plug it to the car real quick and we'll run it to see how it works. So this is what comes in the box. That's a nice case. You open it, it has the cable to connect to the scanner. It has the manual for the scanner to know everything about it. Then you got the scanner right here. That's how nice it looks. Looks really nice. It says grippy on the sides. You see, it's the back. Grip on both sides. Got the buttons, USB Type C, USB Type A, and then the connection for the cable. Press it to turn it on. There it goes. This is how the interface look. Got diagnostics, maintenance, the updates. I did all the updates. You can create an account, and then the settings. So touchscreen. So you got all the settings. Then you go back. You go the little house maintenance. These all the services that you can do in this scanner. TPS, the tires, airbags. Think, oh no, oil resets, ABS service, battery. So it has different type of things that you can check. Let's plug it in. So we gotta connect it. I went to diagnostic. Do it again. Diagnostic. Then this Alexis. You can do by letter. Lexus right there. Lexus. Yeah. So I read it right. Do a quick scan. Everything passed. Save the report. You can save and print. You can save an email. You can save it. Let's go back. It tells you, explain to you everything that tested. So if you click on each, the hybrid is good. Explain everything that did it pass or not pass, or if it's something wrong. Diagnostic. So you can check all of it. You found the codes, read codes, no codes. So it's all good. So you can check a whole bunch of stuff. Go home and then do maintenance. Let me see how that works. And look for Lexus here. And then the model. This is CT200 2013. This one. TPS. You're checking the sensors on the tires, which mine I messed up. So let's see if we find something. Sensors IDs. So it's reading the sensors. Read codes. Not received main. So there's one that is bad. Save. Go back. OBD re-alarm. So that's live. If you start driving, it'll start collecting info. So it's all the info in the car. So you got a lot of information that you can read or find out about your vehicle. So that's pretty good. I love it. You can check everything that you want to check on your car. If it's a check engine, you can do the diagnostic and see what's wrong. So for the price, it's a great tool to have. And so just in case you could do a lot of mechanic things or you want to fix your own car, then this is a great tool to have to start with. Know what's wrong, and even it tells you what's wrong when you find the code. You click the code, it will tell you what is the problem. So for the price, a great tool to have. Definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a scanner for your vehicles, this is the one. So I hope this video helped, and I'll go get you one. Thank you.